I've got cramps, which is normal in a game like this. When you play against a team that keep the ball so much, you have to run so much. And for me, it's normal. I've played against more bigger teams. So for me, I really don't care. I'll go back and recover here for the next game. The first game was a good game actually. We created a lot of chances. We couldn't take it, and eventually we ended up with a draw. This game against Peseiro was a big statement of us. We needed to win. We needed to make a statement in the competition like the AFCON. It was important to start well, to try to get the damage for them. We waited for them in the midfield, making them make a lot of mistakes and all of that. But I'm really happy about this win. We keep on going from here.
Next. Yes. Yeah.
At first part, we'd like to know the decision to let Troost-Ekong kick the penalty was yours or the coach?
It was the coach. I think he wanted me to take it, but you have to respect. I have to respect it. He's the captain, and for me, I really don't mind who took the penalty that we scored for the team, and I want the team to win, and I want the team to progress. So this is the most important thing for me.
Yes. Yeah.
Victor, my name is SYMFONI. I report for News Agency of Nigeria. I'd like to know what is the difference between the first game and the game today that you won?
There was really not different because we came with the same mindset to win the first game. Of course, we ended up with a disappointing draw, which I think the whole team was dissatisfied. But this game, we needed to make a statement. We needed to make a statement win. And for me, it's always important to focus from the start of the week to the end of the game. Playing against a team like Ivory Coast, you have to be on top of your game. And I'm really happy the best guy out this well.
Last question here.
My name is Taufik Babalola. I write for the Nation and the Sporting Line. The group is a little bit open now. All the big guns in the group have won one game each. So what can the Nigerians expect from you, and what are you planning for the last game?
I think for us, we've won this one. We are looking forward to the last game against Guinea-Bissau. We know them, we played them in a qualifying match, and we know how dangerous they can be. We're never going to take any game lightly because we cannot underrate any team in the AFCON. They are no underdogs in this competition. We can see what they have done to the rest of the big dogs. For me, it's important to start well, to try to get the win in the next game and proceed to the second round.
Thank you, Victor. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think we're very happy. We came with a clear game plan. We knew we were going to play against a very good team, but we also knew that we can outfight them. And I believe we have so much talent in this team. So I think today we won our duels. We looked like a real team. We fought together. We suffered some difficult moments as well. But in the end, I think our talent showed.
Will you quick one on the penalty? Obviously, how much pressure were you feeling?
You know, I said it before. I enjoy moments like this. I enjoy the big games. I always think that pressure is for people that are trying to think how they can feed their family every day. Not for us. We play football. We practice for moments like this. And yeah, Victor said he wanted me to take it. He's our first choice. And yeah, of course, I couldn't say no to a moment like this.
What did he say?
You know, we practice penalties, and I think I took one against Ghana as well for the World Cup qualifier. Maybe the moment of the game, I was feeling good, and yeah, I would have also been happy for him to take it, but I'm sure he's going to score many more goals for us.